Take two. This is Robbo 5 Live.
Pirate.
And today we're going to do a review of the Rosie's On Your Burger range. And this one is the G'day Mate burger.
Yeah, with we got it was $14.50. Does the burger on its own. If you upgrade the combo, it's $20.
And the combo I got with it is Fanta.
But you get a 600ml or 300ml drink.
Yeah, I decided to get a can.
See. Want to help?
No, I'm good.
Make a burger, chips with it.
Yep, and the burger is hidden under a huge amount of chips. Or fries, depending where you come from. This is going to be a rescue mission, so please stand by. Okay, I'm back.
Yeah.
I managed to retrieve the burger.
We've got tomato,
Beetroot,
chicken,
is it
tomato, lettuce,
aioli.
aioli, yeah.
Let's try to have the
That's knife.
yeah. Got knife to cut mine in half to show you what it looks like. There's the innards.
Innards.
Where's the chicken? Oh, it's there.
Yeah, got
Just
two on.
Yeah, kind of looked half hidden. Anyway, let's try it, shall we?
Nice flavour.
Yeah,
Got
that's
the-
chicken, that one.
Got the lettuce, the chicken there, the beetroot, tomato,
Oh, yeah.
lettuce.
Might have to get a towel, but I don't have one, so. Anyway, just to continue while we chips we got as well.
Yeah, nice locally fried chips.
Yeah, pretty good. They're well cooked.
Yeah, very well cooked.
As they
Fries
are.
with the Rosie's Paragon Dining, isn't it?
Yep. I think it's just Paragon Dime, but the chicken is, yeah.
Oh, Rose from Rosie's, yeah. Yeah, they got 375 or 500ml drink.
600ml.
600ml, say.
Yeah,
That's when you get the combo.
yeah. So, yeah, this is a pretty good, burger.
Yeah.
So this is another, obviously a local, review I'm doing, so. It's not spicy at all, if you want to know.
No, it's not a spicy burger. No.
So this one's not the spicy one.
Because it's got, looks like mayonnaise. Isn't it? Aioli sauce or something?
Aioli.
Aioli. Got the beetroot, the chicken, tomato, the lettuce. The thing. The burger on its own is $14.50, but if you upgrade to the combo, it's up to $5.50 more than $20.
It's got chicken, cheese, tomato, beetroot, lettuce, and garlic mayo,
Oh yeah.
which is aioli basically. So yeah, $20 for the lot.
If you upgrade to the combo, yeah.
So how do you rate it before we finish up here?
About 8.5 out of 10. How about you,
Give
Robbo?
it 8,
8.
8.5, yeah.
Fair local businesses over the big chains for self. That's me, myself.
Get better quality too, So anyway, I think that's about it for the week. So 8.5 all round. So anyway, until next time, it's goodbye from me.
Over him.
Have a good life and see you next time. Cheers.
Out and up.